Are you a coffee lover who's always in search of ways to enjoy your beloved beverage? Well, I'm so glad you found this video because today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to make a non-alcoholic espresso martini that you can enjoy anytime. Well, maybe not at night before you're going to bed because it'll keep you awake. This espresso martini is going to be layered with flavor and it's going to be delicious, so stay with me. The espresso martini was created in 1983 by Dick Bradso. The story goes that he created this iconic cocktail for Kate Moss. So it's interesting now, she is 2 years sober according to Google. So we're going to make a non-alcoholic version and I think we should call it the Kate Moss. So for our version, we are going to need the Lyre's Dark Cane Spirit. This is going to add some depth of flavor, some richness, some warmth. And then we're going to pair that, I love using a split base with non-alcoholic spirits. We're going to use the Aplos hemp. This is going to give us a very botanical note. These two are going to play really well together with our espresso. We're going to need some coffee beans for garnish. You're also going to need some sugar, or if you'd like to use a powdered stevia or monk fruit sweetener, you can do that. We're also going to need some espresso. So let's head over and make that right now. We're going to need about 4 ounces of espresso for our espresso martini mocktail. You're going to use 2 ounces in the mocktail and 2 ounces to make an espresso syrup. If you don't have an espresso machine, you could pop by your local coffee shop and grab some espresso, or cold brew coffee will also work nicely. For our espresso syrup, we're going to take 2 ounces of our fresh espresso while it's still hot and add a 1/4 cup of organic pure cane sugar. You can use whatever sugar you have on hand or prefer. You could even use monk fruit sweetener for a low-calorie sugar-free option. Whisk your granulated sugar into your espresso until it is completely dissolved. Once you've made sure that all the granules are completely dissolved, you'll need to chill this down in a little ice bath or just in your refrigerator. Next, we're going to ice up our mixing glass and add 1 full ounce of the Dark Cane Spirit by Lyre's, 1 ounce of the Aplos hemp-infused spirit, followed by 2 ounces of espresso, and then 1 ounce of espresso syrup. We're going to give that a good shake. Ooh, I grew a mustache. Just kidding. I thought it'd be more fun to watch this cool guy and his cool mustache shake. Look at him. Look at him go. Okay. Oh, forearm. He's got it this time. No, this time. He's got it. Okay, I've got it. Then we're going to strain that into our martini glass. Look at that rich, beautiful espresso martini. And then we're going to garnish that with some coffee beans. And there you have it. Let's give this guy a taste. It's a super tasty non-alcoholic espresso martini. The Aplos really lightens it up. It's refreshing even though it's a dark, rich mocktail. I would recommend, if you like things on the sweeter side, to maybe add a 1/2 ounce more of the espresso syrup. If you like things on the dry side, like the espresso, that good bitterness that you get from coffee really shines through. Check these videos out here. If you enjoy this and you find value in it and you're having fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Cheers.